Hello again and welcome back to Simply Mobile. In this video I'm going to show Android users 5 ways that they can enhance their battery life without losing performance or the will to live. Wait till you see this. So does your phone suffer from fatigue? Does it have a high temperature or feel drowsy? Well, of course it does, you're never off the thing. Poor thing's exhausted. Now, we've all been on Google and YouTube and tried to find the best way to enhance our battery life, but we always end up with the same really disappointing results. You should turn your screen brightness down to 0 so you can only use it when you're a nocturnal animal. Turn your mobile data off and disconnect yourself with the entire world. Or you can put it on battery saving mode, which means you'll only receive texts or make the odd call, essentially turning your £1,000 flagship phone into a Nokia 3310 from the late 90s. In fact, you can't even play Snake. So at what point do we decide let's just use Morse code or send a raven? Well, I've done my homework and I have a solution. Actually, I have 5 solutions. I'm about to show you 5 ways that you can enhance your battery life without having to wear a loincloth and finger paint on walls. Wait till you see this. Okay, so first tip, if you swipe down on your home screen and then you tap on settings and then you tap on display. Now you can set your display mode from light to dark mode. And as you can see, this dark mode feature will now be applied to all the applications on your phone. Now the science behind this is the darker your screen is, then the less power your battery is pushing out. Tip number 2, once again, if you swipe down on your home screen, tap settings, go back into display, and then tap here where it says motion softness. So this is basically your screen's refresh rate, so by default this will be set to adaptive, which is 120 Hz. But if you set this to standard, which is 60 Hz, then your battery won't have to push out so much power for the animations. The small price you pay is your scrolling animation won't be quite as smooth, but you'll barely even notice this. So the next little tip is dropping process speed. So scroll down from home screen again, back into settings, and this time you're going to go down to battery and device care. And then you want to click battery, and down here at the bottom you want to click more battery settings. Once you're in, click on processing speed, you'll see it's set to maximum. Set that down to optimized. And what this does is it balances the speed of your phone with the battery and cooling efficiency. So the next little tip is putting unused applications to sleep. So again, swipe down from the home screen, go back into your settings, go back into battery and device care, and then you want to click on battery again, and then click on background usage limits. And then you can see this toggle that says put unused apps to sleep. Toggle that on. And what this will essentially do, it will stop any applications from running in the background when you're not using them. 5th and final tip, make sure your Android is up to date. When you update your Android, this eliminates software bugs, which in turn will save you a lot of battery. So swipe down again, tap on settings again, this time scroll down to software update, tap software update, and then click download and install. And if you have an update available, you will be able to download it here. Well, there you have it, 5 ways to improve your battery life without losing performance. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel because there's plenty more where that came from, and also don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any tips or tricks of your own, or if you have any hacks that you would like me to do in the future. I'd be interested to go through them and see what you guys are suggesting. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon. You can go now.